Welcome to Adun Heritage. Aren't these playboxes wonderful?
Wow, I did it!
Fantastic.
Inside each playbox, you'll find a rechargeable writing tablet, giving your child the freedom to draw, write, and express their imagination again and again. You'll also discover the Adun Heritage Workbook, your structured companion for our live online classes, guiding children step by step through engaging learning activities. For our youngest learners, we've included wooden shakes, perfect for building creativity, problem-solving skills, and early spatial awareness. The CVC writing flashcards are fully erasable and ideal for children aged 4 to 6, supporting literacy, spelling, and handwriting confidence. Each playbox also contains durable building blocks designed to enhance coordination, color recognition, and logical thinking for ages 2 to 6. To strengthen numeracy skills, the counting rod helps children aged 3 to 6 explore numbers, patterns, and simple arithmetic through play. There's also a card reader designed especially for children aged 2 to 3, helping them learn through sound and repetition in a fun, interactive way. We've added a large crayon set, bright, bold, and easy to grip, inspiring colorful creativity for every little learner. And to develop early digital thinking, the Adun Heritage Unplugged coding cards introduce coding logic while building upon the Adun Heritage online coding games. For reading confidence, the CVC reading flashcards help children blend sounds and read simple words naturally. You'll also find letter sound cards, perfect for ages 2 to 3, using rhythm and music to make phonics fun. Our counting and alphabet fidget toy encourages focus and fine motor control, making learning letters and numbers enjoyable. The pen grip holder supports correct pencil control, especially for ages 2 to 3, helping them write comfortably and confidently. And finally, a learning wristwatch, introducing children to the concept of time through playful exploration. Every element of the Montessori PlayBox has been carefully chosen to nurture creativity, confidence, and a lifelong love of learning. Give your child the best start with the Adun Heritage Montessori PlayBox. Place your order today and watch learning come alive.